Hey guys, welcome back to another Boy Meets Bad Monday video. So in this video I'm just going to show you, I just went to my local taco shop about 18 minutes away, so it's pretty far, but like it's local. Yeah, but it was pretty cool. So I got a bunch of stuff. Like I got some of these, which are X10 Tufts Easy Zelfs. I got whatever this is. They said this was good, so it looks pretty good. It was nice. Like, yeah. Then I got my first actual crankbait. So I got my first actual crankbait, so it looks pretty cool. I got these Ned rig jig heads for this, which were pretty cool. So they're both Z-Man. As you can see, I have no clue how these are. But then I also got this dark sleeper. So basically, as you can see, we're gonna have some stuff to try out tonight or whenever we go fishing, so stay tuned for that. I'm on huge fish, I think. No! It works! Bar Money Dad's on, Bar Money Dad's on. First fish in 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. Holy cow! I need to get the gloves. Okay. So right now I'm getting the gloves because we don't know what kind of fish it is, and the water's kind of a little bit disgusting. So we put gloves on in case we have to put our hands in the water, which I probably will. I know. One sec, I gotta put my gloves on. Just pull them up. First bass. Hey buddy, stop it. Stop. I don't know how this one comes off. Yeah, sure. Because I don't know how it gets in.
It's there. So see that there?
Yeah.
Where's the thing?
Okay, so right now, yeah.
No, I need your pliers. Where's
Okay.
the pliers? Ah.
I got him.
Okay, grab him hard. Oh, let's come in.
There you go.
You want a photo?
Yeah, sure. Here you go. Here's the first fish in 2 weeks. So sorry for the, or however long it's been.
Wait, that one. Nice, check it out.
Thank you. So, first fish. Bar Money Dad's on. I'm getting the stuff right now. He reckons this is a big one. Is it a good one? He's pulling. You're gonna loosen your drag? Okay, so I can't see him.
Not happy. Look at the size of him.
Holy cow.
Ready?
Pull him up.
You got him?
I got him. Holy cow. He's a big one.
Alright. You wanna take a picture?
Sure.
He's got a good mouth too, huh?
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get this guy back in and I'll bring you guys back. I'm on. Yes, please. No, I need you to get him. Oh my goodness, he was a huge one. He spat it, but he was huge. So we're on, Dad's on. So I'm getting my gloves on so I can put my hands in the water again.
We got him coming, Bar Monday boy.
Got him coming.
Yeah, look, he's over there. Coming already.
Come on.
Yeah.
Is that a caddy?
Whoa.
Pull him up. You can do it. It's a catfish.
It is a catfish, yeah.
Ew. Okay, I'll bring you guys back on the next clip because I don't want you to deal with catfish because they're very squirmy and stuff like that. And you can't even see. So this is gonna be the end of the video right now. I know it's light now for some reason, but basically we went fishing the next day, which is today, and we didn't catch anything, so I just thought I'd wrap up the video instead of in complete darkness. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Boy meets Bar Money out.